So today I'm going to be talking about how to get 100 sales on Redbubble pretty fast. This video will be tailored towards people that are struggling to get sales, trying to get more consistent sales and trying to make some money online. Now this, what you can see on the screen, is from a shop that I've only had for 1 month, but I'm going to talk about it a little bit more in the video. Make sure to click that like button because I've heard that it gives people good luck. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you're someone that's looking to make some extra money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you will always stay posted with my videos. Today we have a big one, but before we get into that, I just want to say, for anyone who doesn't already know, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, and that's filled with pretty much all the information I used to get my first few sales online. However, if you're someone that's looking to take print on demand a little bit more seriously, maybe even full-time, I have a paid step-by-step guide that's also linked down below. And with that said, let's get into this video. Now, you saw at the start, the title is how to get 100 sales on Redbubble pretty fast. Now I say pretty fast mainly because I feel like I did this very quickly. I mean, at the start it was a bit of a struggle, but once I learned certain shortcuts and figured out certain ways of going about things became a lot easier. This is pretty much a part 2 of a video that I made linked to something similar. If you want to watch the part 1 where I actually go in the shop and go through it with you guys and show you the products that we're selling, you can watch that down in the description. Make sure to watch it after this video. Everything will still make sense, don't worry. And getting straight into this is the total the shop made in the first month. Now you're probably thinking, well, that's just a number on the screen and you've put profit from a 1-month-old shop. I mean, Phil, come on, what does this mean? Well, I'll show you. This is what I do for you guys. I'm gonna have to do so much blurring here because there's so much information. Nevertheless, I've jumped onto the email for that shop that I created, and this is the remittance advice PDF that they send you, which pretty much shows you a breakdown of your sales and then the amount you made. So yeah, I thought I'll jump onto this, quickly scroll through to show you guys that this shop did fairly well in only 1 month. And yeah, as you can see there, the date is the 14th of December. So the 14th of December, I think that's when they process this, and the payments usually come in on the 15th. Nevertheless, scrolling through, you can see the first initial sales were from the 11th of November, and you can see the amount here, so 134. And as we scroll through, you know, the sales keep coming in over the upcoming dates, and it goes on and on and on and on. When you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that you see the total here. Once again, if you want a little bit more information about the products that I was selling on the shop, actually live seeing me go through them, make sure to watch the first video where I talk a little bit more about that. And actually jumping into this, the first tip when it comes to getting to your first 100 sales fast is being able to find designs. Now I put finding designs, but what I mean is finding trends, finding what people are searching for. If you can get things or find niches that people are looking for right now, you can increase your chances of getting sales faster. Because I know for a fact there's someone out there who's just jumped on Redbubble. I hope this is not any of you that have thought, I like cats, I'm gonna make a cat design that says cat mom. If you were to make a shirt that says cat mom, you're most likely not gonna sell that because there's so many other cat mom t-shirts. So this is where the trending method comes in, finding trending designs, or even sub-niching. I mean, sub-niching works, but if you're trying to get your first 100 designs, which is really hard, you need to be on trends. Now I'm going to show you how you find these trends. Now a lot of you who watch my videos probably know this method, but through actually checking my YouTube stats, I've noticed that there's more people watching my videos that are not subscribed than those that are subscribed. So I'm quickly going to run through this so those guys understand too. So let's say you want to find some designs. I mean, you want to get those sales coming in quicker. You want to go on Redbubble. You can come on the search bar, type A, and when you type A, it will show you the 3 trending keywords for A. Now it gets better. You can go from A to Z if you want and then check each letter, but if you put A, B, you will see the 3 trending things under AB, and you can break into each letter and dissect test it as much as you want till you find low competition niches. A good example of a low competition niche would be something with less than 500 results. If you don't have any sales at all, if you have some sales, a good example of a low competition niche would be something with less than 1,000 results. So it's something to just bear in mind. And for those out there looking to be time efficient, so you don't want to go through the search bar going from A to Z, there's websites like Bubble Trends. Now, when you come on this website, it takes the top 3 trending keywords for each letter from A to Z, and it puts them all on one page, showing you the amount of results each keyword has. If you're not looking to dissect each letter like I showed you in the example, this is a good way to go. You just need to find the low result niches and make designs for them. And wait, before I just say, okay, go out, find the low ones and make designs for them, always trademark check. For those who don't know about trademark checking, when it comes to Redbubble, it's important because it's the difference between a shop that lasts a very long time and can make you consistent income and a shop that will be there for a short term and go. And if you're someone who's looking to trademark check, you can go on this website called trademarkier.com. Once you're here, you just go on the search bar and you type in your keyword. For example, if I was to put in Superman, I don't know why that's the first thing that's come to my mind, but if I was to put in Superman, obviously Superman has a trademark on it. As you can see, there's so many results covering a lot of different things. They've got a trademark on towels. I mean, if they've got a trademark on towels, you know they're covering things like t-shirts and probably every single product you can find on a site like Redbubble. Nevertheless, the power of trademark checking is that it allows you to stay safe moving forward. So after you find the designs or the trends that you want to create for, you now have to pick which products you want to use. And when I say which products you want to use, I mean the products you want to show on your front image. So the products you should be focusing on, especially if you don't have sales, are stickers. Go a little bit into stickers in a second. Greetings cards, kids clothing, and masks. I mean, those 4, from what I've seen recently, have been selling quite well. So if you're trying to put yourself in with a chance of getting to 100 sales fast, I would say create 25 of each product. But when it comes to stickers, you don't just want to create one sticker, you want to create sticker packs. And if sticker packs are a new concept to you and you don't know what that is, I'll link a video down in the description where I talk about sticker packs a little bit more to give you an idea of why they're effective and why you should be making them. Nevertheless, all these little things will allow you to lay the bricks you need to lay to get that wall that's 100 sales. And for people that tell you like products aren't important, they're wrong, because finding the right product for you will make a difference. It doesn't even have to be one of those 4. If you happen to see that you've got a sticker as a front image, but someone keeps buying a pillow, which actually happened on one of the shop review episodes, you can then just make sure that you have more pillows as your front images, as you know that's what works. And talking about what works, you want to use your data. Now, when I say use your data, I'll explain exactly what I mean. So on Redbubble, when you upload designs, people could either buy them or like them, which shows you obviously if people are interested in certain designs. Now, data in this case, let's say for example, you don't have any sales, you've got 200 designs or 100 designs, and you have one item that has 50 favorites and all your other items only have like 1 or 2 favorites. In this situation, you want to use your data, get that item with 50 likes and make multiple different versions. The multiple different versions could be the same thing in different colors, or it could be something similar in a different font, or something with an image, something without an image, but all working around the same sort of idea. And using information like that will allow you to get the traction you need fast, because sometimes people could like something but it might not be in the way they like. So for example, you could have a black design on a white t-shirt. People are liking it, but they're not buying it because they would prefer that design if it was white on a black t-shirt. These little things are what lead to people getting those extra sales they need to get to 100 sales. So yes, make sure you are implementing those little things. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is consistency. Got a nice little graph there that says motivation, consistency, progress. So if you want to be motivated, I mean, you can just come to the channel every day. I pretty much try my best to post every day. You can get a little bit of motivation from me if you want, but motivation is key, mainly because it allows you to be consistent. Too many people on Redbubble give up too easily. Trust me, you never want that to be you. Do not give up easily. Set a plan, stick to it, and you'll notice as you go forward, you'll start to see sales increasing to the point where you end up hitting that 100 sales you've been looking for. And obviously progress comes with time. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you have found value from this. I've tried to give you a lot of useful information in regards of some of the steps that I took to get 100 sales fairly quickly. Once again, if you want to watch the part 1 to this video, it will be linked down in the description. And I also have another video where I show you guys how to get 1,000 sales, because I've not just gotten like 100 sales, I've got multiple shops. The newest shop that I have, I recently got it to 100, and it made me realize I never made this video, but I have other shops with over 1,000 sales. So if you want to hear about them and see that information, that video will be linked down in the description as well. Nevertheless, that is it for today. If you've made it this far, down in the comments, comment down rigged in my favor, because at the end of the day, everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.